Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today we're going to be showing you probably our last ton of the season here. It's been a good season though. We've probably killed 8 or 9 or so, quite a few on video, but here my big camera quit working, so I've been having to use this GoPro and my Tactacam. So on this hunt, I'm hunting with Braxton, Hayden, and Brady, and Braxton and Brady each get one within about 3 hours from each other. So my big camera, I don't know what's wrong with it. It ain't wanting to focus or nothing, so I had to film with this stuff, but I'm about to get it fixed. But anyways guys, hope you liked this video. Thanks for staying tuned for all these turkey hunts, so hope you like it.
Don't want to do.
What?
They're coming. Get ready. Can you see the red dot?
Go ahead and put that back. Put that back. You can't? Here.
Go down.
Go down. Here they come. Put it down a little bit. There you go.
Can you see the red
Keep
dot?
holding it down because it's going to look big to you. Just go ahead and barely see it. Put it out one more.
Can you see the red dot? Okay, just focus that red dot right on their red heads. You put it right on where their black meets their red neck, okay? Their neck where their black body meets their neck.
Okay, they're in a dip, but they're coming. That's why they sound far. Oh, boys, here they come. Braxton, you can't see the red dot. See how you move forward there?
Or just put your knee all the way up.
To the right.
Almost falling ready, Braxton. You don't move when they come in.
Put. You see the red dot? Go fight first. Go. Hold your gun. Hold your gun.
Get ready. Look.
Turn your red dot on. You see him?
See him?
You see him? You see him?
They're close enough.
Are they close? Fight first.
See him?
This way. Let him get good close there.
You think they're close enough?
They're running.
Wait till they stop running.
I'm gonna yell.
Do you see the red dot?
Get him? You get him? Grab it! Go after him! Oh, boys! Oh, what a... Braxton.
He's
Got him. You hurt him bad.
He fell when it hit the tree.
Yeah, I mean, I mean... Walking that way. About 70 yards.
But he's gonna pop up. You better get ready. Go silent. Let him get his thing all the way in front of us. Okay? Don't shoot. I gotta let him get right in front of me.
Well, guys, we had to walk a good way for this one, but it was worth it. We probably walked. How many miles do you think we walked, Brady? Around 4 or 5 miles to get to this thing. We heard him gobble all morning. And then he quit. And then we got up this hill and looked over it, and there he was strutting with some hens. It was prime. Brady busted it.